Good evening, this is Jan, back with another fish recipe. It's gonna be codfish Spanish style. So that means in a tomato sauce with paprika and some herbs. Here I got the codfish. This is about 270 grams. First I put salt in there. And black pepper. And by the way, I'm gonna cut these fillets in half so that it's easier to work with in my pan. Then you pour extra vierge olive oil in a hot pan and you use quite enough. And then put in the pieces of fish. Codfish. I managed to turn these pieces of codfish, but it looks a little bit screwed up because the fillet is actually too thin for this recipe. And after 1.5 minutes more, you just transfer them to a plate. I clean my board very thoroughly because it's time for the preparation of the vegetables. First up, it's shallot. I'm using one big shallot, but of course you can use white onion, red onion. I'm dicing this. 2 cloves of garlic, sliced roughly. Half a paprika. I choose for the red paprika. But of course you can choose for red and green together. I think this for the color. This is nice. It's gonna be very red. I mean the sauce, the tomato sauce. And then last but not least, 2 juicy tomatoes, because we're talking tomato sauce here. So I'm gonna slice these roughly. A little bit like this, some more, and add a little bit more oil to the first thing. It's a shallot, I add the garlic and the paprika as well, why not, all at the same time. Stir it up a little. Plus the tomato, because this will give some liquid to the sauce. At this point I will add pimentón, the smoked paprika, a real Spanish spice. I'm going to add a lot to get much smokiness in this dish. Plus thyme for that Mediterranean flavor. Some more black pepper for the flavor. And cayenne pepper for the heat. It's probably too much, but anyway, I like my dishes spicy. As you can see, this sauce has become very nice and thick, so that means it's time to transfer the cod to the sauce. Just placing the cod inside the sauce. It's a little bit falling apart, but anyway, it's working. Just let this simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. This is going to be beautiful. Parsley, a nice green accent, and some extra herbaceousness. As a side dish, I got some sliced baguette, Spanish cod, and tomato paprika sauce. That cod is tender. Goes beautiful with the sauce. There's lots of spice in the sauce because of the cayenne pepper. And there is definitely the smokiness of the pimentón. Yeah, real Spanish flavors. I like Spanish food. All the flavors in one bite. That is what I call flavorsome. Taste the paprika, you taste the onion, the garlic, all these beautiful vegetables together with these spices and herbs. And the cod. I like this fish, this cod, a lot. You can use it in many dishes. That's what they do in Spain, Portugal as well. So many beautiful recipes with codfish, and this is one of them. A piece of bread. I'm gonna dip this in the sauce, so that's gonna be absorbing all the flavors of the sauce. Something like this. Nice. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.